Hey, what's up, everyone? Just wanted to make a quick follow up video on Wayuu. We're almost 13 hours after the initial public sale launch. I kind of want to take you through my day to ease your mind a little bit on where you are as I scoot into my computer desk. Okay, so um, yeah, their Twitter page is still up, so that's a good feeling that it's not a scam so far. And they have seems like they've organically gotten 1,900 more followers today. Now, if this was like 500,000 followers after 64,000 or after 63,000 last night, I'd be a little bit worried. But it seems like they're organically growing, which is important. Their website still works. Let me refresh it, make sure it still works. Um, Earlier this year, I got into a rug pull, put in like a couple bucks, and after a couple hours, website gone, everything gone. So it's an encouraging sign. Uh, a lot of comments on Twitter about that. But let me just take you through my day here. Now, I've used PancakeSwap a bunch of times, but there's this one thing. At first, I tried to put in. I had $116 or $117 in there into my BNB Smart Chain coin account, and I tried to put the whole thing in, and I wouldn't let me. And I did that for like 5 minutes, thinking that something was wrong with PancakeSwap. I just gave up. But then I remembered if you do less money, better chance of going in. So I did 51 bucks instead. And if I had done that right off the bat, I would have gotten in at like a penny and a half. But it took 6 minutes and it was just over 6 cents is what I got in my price at. Let me blow this up real quick, make it a little bigger. Okay, so 10:06 a.m. Eastern Time in the United States. I put $51 in at just over 6 cents. 6 minutes into the exchange. Now this thing went from 0.007 to about 12 cents in under 10 minutes. It was crazy. Now, I was hoping it would go to 18 cents and I would take out that $51 and put it in when it drops. Because, on a regularly good project, it goes up 2 3x and then it comes all the way back down on the first day. So I waited. 2.5 hours later, 12:30, I put in $24 at 4 cents. It's me dollar cost averaging. It's what I explained in the last video I did last night. I waited till 148. 30. I put in $37 at just over 3 cents. I'm thinking it's not going to get much below 3 cents, so I'm putting more money in. Now, it was a rainy day today. I didn't have anything to do, so I could just. This is the first time I got into a day one of something, so I was really intrigued about what was going on, and I feel like this is still a really good project. So this is like a case study for me. So at 2:03, 15 minutes later, it dropped to 0.023. So just over 2 cents. I put in 20 bucks, thinking, okay, if it goes down another penny, 20 more dollars, another 20 bucks, it might go down to the 0.005, which is what I was hoping for. But I knew that probably wasn't going to do that. So that's why at 3 o'clock, I doubled it and put 40 bucks in at just over a penny and a half. Okay, I'm thinking this is probably the low. I probably should have thrown in the everything I had into it on my BNB token, but I was like, let's just wait. Maybe it'll go below a penny. So 56 minutes later, I saw it going back up. So I'm like, okay, it's gonna go back up for the day. Let me put 20 more bucks in at 0.025, and at 10:45, which was 12 minutes ago from right this point, I'm making this video. So 12 minutes ago, the price is just over 4 cents. So to recap, altogether, I DCA'd about $192 in, and this includes the fees. So $192 including the fees. My average price that I got into it is 3 cents. So I started out on over 6 cents and I got down my initial average price to 3 cents. And I'm happy about that. So just over 4 cents, I had a 30% gain. Now, today there were like two cryptos that were up. It was Polkadot and Solana. That was it. Up more than like 1 or 2%. Everything was down today. So a 30% gain, I'll take it. I'll take it. I was at a 10% gain most of the day. I'll take it. But let's just see if I had heard about this project 2 weeks ago and gotten into the pre-sale of the half of a penny. Look at what I've been doing right now. I would have been at an 800% gain. It basically is an 8 times what you put in. Now, if you go on Twitter, I know it's toxic, but it's important. There were a lot of people that were complaining all day that they got into their pre-sale. Now, a lot of them didn't receive coins until a couple of hours after the initial public sale. So they were thinking they didn't get their price at a half a penny, but their half a penny price was locked in no matter what happened. And they didn't get that. I'm thinking is that Wayu didn't want the price tanking below the pre-sale price. Like, if you give them their tokens at 0.05 and it goes up to 12 cents, most of them will get out. A lot of them also, it's obvious that they're newbies. And this might be their first crypto they ever got into. Or second or third crypto. But they're newbies, you can tell. Because they're complaining about a 6x when it was at 3 cents and going up. And I think they're thinking that they wanted it to 100x by the end of the day. But let me tell you, the coins that do 100, 1000x, or 100x, I've never seen 1000x on the first day, but 100x on the first day or second or third day, I'd be worried. Those are the scams. If it shoots way up, that's a pump and dump. It's going to come all the way back down and you're going to lose all your money because you didn't get out the top because it probably the site would have frozen before you can get your money out in time. So we want this to like slowly go up, but it's going to go up. We're going to see, a 3, 5x, and then it's going to come back down, and it's going to go back up again, come back down. So investing in this project, you have to be passionate and think that this is going to make it as a project, and it's going to be revolutionary. If you believe that, you have to at least hold it to November 1st. That's when they're going to launch their NFT marketplace. But I'm thinking as because of capital gains tax, short term and long term, holding it for at least a year, you're going to knock down it from 35% to 15%, 20% if you're making a lot of money, but 15%. So I'm also thinking when we actually do go into a bear market in 2022, by the time summer rolls around, the year's almost up for holding this coin, or holding most of this coin, I'm thinking that DeFi and anything involved with NFTs, they're going to pump. They're going to save the bear market. You can make a lot of money in the bear market if you find the right field, industry. And last year it was DeFi. I think coming up in this next bear market is going to be NFTs. More people are going to be in NFTs every year since 2017. More people, like doubles amount of people have been in NFTs. And I think it's up to 200,000 people right now. Next year could be 400,000 people. So this NFT marketplace idea to make it the best is genius. And to combine all the Cardano, Solana, blockchains, Polkadot, Ethereum, all into one is also genius. Nothing's going to be like this for a while. So, that's just my rant, I guess. I am floored and ecstatic about everyone who watched my last video and all the new subscribers. Thank you so much. Welcome. I will keep doing updates if you keep watching. And thank you for having a conversation with me all day today. I was more than happy to answer questions. For the newcomers, I've been involved in crypto for the last 4 years, since the end of 2017. So basically what happened today was why I wanted to start a crypto channel, to document my journey, but also to help people who are brand new. There's a lot of FUD on the internet. A lot of lies, blatant lies. I saw a lot of that about this coin. A lot of people call this a scam, but also to ease your mind. In 2017 through 2019, a lot more people were calling Cardano a scam. It was hovering around 2 cents for the longest time. And I wish I put more money in 2 cents. So for what I do, if you're new to this channel, I was putting like $20 a week, a month into Cardano 2 cents, and then it kind of blew up and went to 9-10 cents about a year and a half ago. And that's when I consolidated a lot of coins that I didn't really believe in. I transferred all that, the profits. I took a hit on some of them. I broke even on some of them. I transferred that all into Cardano at 10 cents. So a year and a half later, it's what, like a 27x, 28x from that 10 cents, and even more, 150x, 130, 140x from that 2 cents, 3 cents I was buying in at earlier. So, also, I think it takes about 50 to 60 days for a brand new coin to like basically build a foundation and get going. And not because a lot of brand new coins, they go up, they go down, they go up a lot, like the Safe Moon. Everyone FOMOs in, and then it comes all the way crashing down, and everyone's calling it a scam now. But if it organically goes up, then around that 50-60 day mark, they'll be launching their platform November 1st. And if they can adhere by that day, they're going to get a lot of people FOMOing in. And everyone who's calling it a scam today at 3 cents, 2 cents, 4 cents, they're going to be buying in at 20 cents, 30 cents, 40 cents, 50 cents. So, okay, that's all I have for today. I'll be glad to answer any questions. And yeah, I'll probably make an update tomorrow night about this and see where we're at. This is really intriguing to me. Hopefully it's fascinating for you too. And yeah, have a great night, guys. Thank you.